So click here to browse. We want desktop, Devo 12E, Deviation, Devo 12E, DFU. Select, open. Now there's our firmware down here, file correctly loaded. Click here, upgrade. Click here, yes. Firmware upgrading, erase phase. Firmware upgrading, download phase. Upgrade successful. Quit. Turn off the transmitter. Turn on the transmitter while holding the enter button. Now you see the USB symbol. You're ready to load your files. On my computer it is removable disk F. You need to format the disk in drive F before you can use it. Format disk. Quick format, start. Warning, formatting will erase all data on this disk. To format the disk, click OK. OK. Format complete. OK. Close that. Deviation folder, open it. Debug Devo 5, blah blah blah. Deviation Devo 12E. Do not move these two files, so I'm going to pick the ones that go. Language, layout, media, Modelico, models, template, data log, bin, errors, hardware, TX, updating. Now I'm going to drag and drop them on removable disk F. And there it's done. Turn this off. Turn this off. Turn it back on. Model 1. Turn it back off. Back to Chrome browser. Enlarge it. Search. Notepad plus plus. The little lizard on the pencil, you're in the right place. Click on download. That was there. Take this one if you have no idea which one you should take. So click on this one. I'm not going to do it because I've already got it, but here it is. Notepad++. installer 32-bit x86. So turn that back off. Hold enter again, turn it back on. There's our contents of our Devo. We want hardware, right click it. Now sometimes when you right click some of these things, you get a shortened menu. If you get a short menu, then click outside there and then right click it again until you get edit with Notepad++. We're going to activate the 4-in-1 module, edit with Notepad++. These are the modules. CYRF 6936 is the actual Devo module, was that module. So it says here there is no need to enable the CYRF 6936, so do not mess with it. The first one after CYRF is enable A7105, so click next to that semicolon and backspace it. Drop down to the next one, backspace it, next, backspace it, next, backspace it, next, backspace it. Don't do this last one. Here's the next to the last one, the last one we're doing. So there's still enable multi-mod equals A13 there, but we have enable CC2500 equals A14, but we also have enable NRF 24101 is also A14. Come next to this second A14, click there, backspace 3 times, 1, 2, 3, hold shift, give it a B, then give it a 7. Now everything is set. Now go up here to hardware.ini, click the X, box comes up, save file, F hardware ini, yes. Now the module is activated. So now we can turn that off. Turn all that off. So one thing to remember, make sure that this USB cable is in all the way before you start doing any of this. And a couple of guys have not pulled this thing all the way out, and they're putting it up like that with it pushing on the cable. Make sure you slide that all the way out like that, where it's out of the way.